Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell,
like, share, and comment.
Enjoy the video. Okay? Okay, that's fine. Bye.
So
Trying sake for the first time.
this is the sake. It's kind of like
the sake I should do the your first impression. Right?
yeah. This is kind of like alcohol, right?
It is alcohol. It's a
It's
rice
a wine. It's a wine. Yeah, it's a
Call it the sake.
Disgusting.
Call it the sake.
Can you do that? So this is the one.
The sake experience.
It's this is a sake experience. It's kind of like something smell, guys.
Well, it's yeah. I mean, it's just.
It's my first time. This one.
It smells like warm wine.
It is warm.
Yeah, I mean that's what it smells like. If you
It's
just.
not hot, so okay. Cheers.
Yeah, I'm not sure how hot
Can
it
you
is.
do hand to me and to
No, both of you.
three of us. Oh, Kelly, can you take us a video, please, baby?
Okay.
Because
And
we're
then
gonna
tell
do
us.
this.
You have to drink it all at once.
Yeah, you do it like a shot. Yes.
Like one shot. So there you go, guys.
I can't get you all in the frame.
There you go.
There you go.
Is it videoing?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
1, 2, 3. Salute.
What? Look at her.
Now you've tried it.
Yucky.
Now you've tried it. I mean, it just tastes like warm wine. I mean, it really does. It doesn't taste that much different.
It's so disgusting.
So, what do you think about it?
It's like a lot of things, it's an acquired taste.
Yeah, it's just like not my type.
Right. Yeah. I mean, it's the kind of
But I
thing.
think you have to have
It's
one.
hot. It's a wine, right? What kind of wine is it?
It's called it's a rice wine. Here, try one more.
Rice wine?
Well, that is hot.
Yeah, it's hot. It stinks also.
Well, if you took your Chablis or whatever and warmed it up, it would smell just like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just.
Cheers, guys.
Instead of grapes,
Last
it's made
one.
out of rice.
Last one na lang, ha?
Yeah. No, you can't spit it out.
Can't spit it out.
We all saw that one coming, you know.
I already almost do like
I know, we could tell. We could tell.
Parang nabitin yung pag-swallow.
Munti ka na lumabas.
Take away to go. Alright, bye guys. So there you go. You got soup. I got my spring roll. They got salad. So there you go. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to
Did you show Jen your birthday present?
Oh yeah, where is it?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And happy anniversary, honey.
Yeah.
So ayan guys. Cheers. 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 Masarap.
Masarap, but you haven't tried it yet.
Yummy. Masarap eh. Kain tayo guys. Yan. Nasa Vietnamese restaurant.
Vietnamese, Thai, Chinese,
Yeah, it's a
Japanese.
mixed restaurant.
It's like a oriental place.
Yeah.
Ate yun yung sauce naman.
No.
No.
Ay. So, babayin muna guys.
No, it's
Spicy,
okay.
spicy tuna,
Ah, tuna.
Spicy
All tuna.
Philadelphia.
California roll.
Oh,
Surprising.
that sounds so good.
Oh yeah, they love
So, ayan guys, kain
Sushi's
tayo.
not my thing. That's
Sushi.
one of the few things
Sushi
I
is
really-
my
I don't
favorite.
like.
I love sushi.
I tend not to like things that you call something.
I wish I have a lot of money to live somewhere.
Yeah, it's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it.
Okay, so who answered first? Me. Okay, Caleb first. Okay, everyone will answer the same question, okay?
All right.
What is one trip you have never taken but would really like to take someday? Gaming trip.
One trip?
What is one trip you have never taken but would really like to take someday? Trip to Tokyo. Tokyo? Okay. Ate Nika, it's your turn.
I know. Las Vegas.
I knew that was coming.
You wanna do?
You've never been to Vegas?
You never been to Vegas?
No. I love to
We were
go
actually,
there.
we actually were planning to go just when the pandemic hit. And
Yeah.
They shut everything down. So
Are you was planning that?
yeah, we're gonna go for the motorcycle. auction.
Yeah.
Okay, Peter.
Machu Picchu.
Machu Picchu.
What is that, babe?
Oh, it's
Ancient
in-
Incan ruins in the mountains of Peru.
Yep, it's
Oh
in-
wow, that sounds so good.
Okay, Danielson.
I'm gonna go to Australia.
Australia.
Even though everything's there trying to kill you, but I still want like Sydney or something.
All right.
Okay, Aiden. Your turn.
Caleb. I ate it.
Aiden? Alright, he's sleeping. I
He's
wanna
not
go-
sleeping. He's awake.
I wanna go
He's
to
laughing.
Jerusalem.
All right.
Yes. Why there?
Holy.
The
Why
holy-
there?
It's the Holy Land. It's the Holy Land.
Are you planning to wear the costume like
Yes, the hijab or
Yeah.
something? Yeah. Okay, so that one. Okay, next question.
Steak.
Okay, who goes first this time? You okay? Okay.
I get the question.
Okay, this one. What is the greatest lesson in life you have ever learned? I'll go last. Okay, Peter, maybe go first.
So, what is the greatest lesson in life
You have ever learned.
ever learned?
to meet me.
Don't count on anybody but yourself.
Except.
Oh, that's deep.
That's good.
That's deep, man. Okay, Danielson.
Greatest stuff. I would say
Fortune
it's like the fortune cookie thing. Maybe never turn down opportunity when it's wise, and you'll wind up regretting it later.
Oh, I don't like that. Okay, Atenika.
I don't know. I don't know what I'm
What is
going
the
to
greatest? What is the lesson that you have learned?
say. What do you think? Can you answer that to me? What is the lesson? What?
The greatest lesson you have learned in life?
A lot. Like when I meet Peter.
Well, what's your one lesson though?
Yeah, I learned learned a lot of lesson from you. I never
So your greatest lesson is pay attention to your
pay
husband.
attention.
There you go.
Yeah,
There you go.
pay attention.
That's
No, it's not like
learned.
that. It's not like that. You
Yeah,
teach me a
good answer,
lot.
good answer.
No, I mean you teach me a lot of
Right, because you
lesson.
listen to your husband.
No, it's not like that,
The
Han.
wrapper of that.
Sometimes I have to listen, sometimes I don't.
My turn. The best
It's your
lesson
turn.
I've ever learned
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
how to breathe.
How to breathe. That is.
Take notes.
What?
Learn early.
Okay, Caleb, your turn.
The Karate Kid thing.
Karate Kid thing.
Wax up.
Wax on, wax off.
Wax on, wax off.
Wax on, wax off. All right, that's
That's pretty cool.
It's deep.
that is yeah. You got to really think about
What
it.
about you?
Look at the outside.
Over there, outside. There you go, the outside. Over there, the outside. Don't miss that.
Wax on.
Don't
Wax
miss
on,
that.
wax off. That's
Jennifer, we're waiting for your answer.
Oh, my greatest
Yeah, nice
lesson
try.
I've learned
Don't
is,
skip.
is always is really if you put your heart or try your best, you'll never regret it.
You'll always regret it.
You always regret. Nagdi-disagree yung anak mo. Your son disagree everything.
Tried my hardest and still failed. Boy, do I regret that. Jeez.
Yeah, like no matter what, try your hardest.
Yeah.
If you try your hardest on something and it fails, you'll just be sad.
Okay, this one. Okay, who goes first?
Me.
No, Ate Nika.
Yeah.
Okay, what would your dream house look like? Be descriptive as possible.
Like a simple house,
We're gonna be
Okay.
here for a while.
not a creepy house.
You say creepy?
Yeah, we have a creepy house. I love a simple house
That's
with a
creepy.
swimming pool.
With a swimming pool?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I like.
Is it like 3 stories?
Just first stories.
1
only.
story? Okay. Okay.
And I have lots of fancy stuff like
like
you know.
But
that
simple.
dinnerware?
Simple, yeah.
Simple.
But simple.
Simple, but
Simply
it's
extravagant.
fancy stuff. Like I don't like crappy stuff.
No idea.
But she likes simple
Diba?
stuff.
Yeah.
But it's simple, but
I
it's
don't think she sees that I can't.
like a good quality.
Like the thing that you use, like after you're done pooping, you spray your butt with.
Ano to? Yung anak ko.
I think. Wait, what?
What's the question?
What
Dream
would
house.
your dream house look like? Be as descriptive
A
as
simple house with a swimming pool and nice,
things.
good
Nice
quality
things.
stuff. That's
Yeah.
all.
Everything she wants, yeah.
And that thing that sprays water up your butt when you're on the toilet. When you the bidet.
She's got one of those already.
We have that.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I don't need to touch it. I have
Once you
to
have one,
squirt
you'll never go
there.
back, man. That's like,
Oh, you will see that. You don't have to touch. You don't have to use the
I've
tissue
even got one down
paper.
at my garage.
Yeah.
You get spoiled with
It's
this.
really fun though because you just press the button
And
and
heat
then
it,
they're
see
gonna
through.
squirt the water in your butt. See, it's nice quality.
But simple.
Yeah.
It's simple.
simple but rock.
Simple.
Yeah, simple but rock.
Okay. Okay, Caleb, your turn. What is your dream house?
We're gonna be here a while.
Thank you for watching.